This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 5 of Building Robocop. Is that a picture from the second film? It's very blue. I know he had bluer armour in the second film, but apart from that, I think he was the same. So yes, we have built the hand last time. This time we have a very quick build episode. So I've got something else to show you during the episode. Free gift with this pack. Looking at the postmodern Prometheus. Yeah, didn't you have Prometheus, the one who had his liver pecked out by an eagle? Or was that? Am I thinking of someone else? Good old Ed. There we go. What's in the name? So yes, this is the right elbow joint. We'll start with the right elbow. We've got a part that we're not using, and we're just putting two plastic parts together of the elbow joint. Hence the quick build episode. There's one screw and lots of things. After all of last time building the entire hand, it's sort of a shock to the system to come back and just do this. But we've got to have small episodes along with big episodes. So there you go. Looking at the Valkaisen's duck. Not aware of that one. I vaguely remember the other automatons that have been shown in previous issues, but not that one. 360-degree cameras. Yes, I haven't got one, but I'm aware of them. Interesting stuff. You get some interesting views with them. But you wouldn't want me using a 360-degree camera here, trust me. You wouldn't want to see what's around. You're okay. But yeah, interesting stuff. All good things. They could just have one on the top of his head, and then he'd be able to see everywhere. All right, let's not clear this out of the way. Let's bring in the free gift. We've got some posters. Most of these partworks do supply you with free gifts, and most of the time it's a poster, a mug, maybe a hat, that sort of thing. And this one is no exception. There are posters in this issue. 3 of them. They're all A3 size, maybe? Is that? Oh, A3 is smaller than A4. Yes, no, bigger. A4 is about that. Yeah, so yeah, a little bit bigger. There we go. The traditional getting out of the car shot. We have the explosive car being shot up. That's just after he got out, obviously. There we go. And finally, we have the Delta City. It doesn't look very comfortable leaning over like that. It doesn't. I don't know. That's how he works, though. Even that one is sort of a bit leany. So yes, that is what the posters are like. They're quite nice. They're glossy and come in a nice little folder to protect them. So yeah, that was that. Let me get the build part done, and I shall be finished in just a minute. But I'll show you it now. Yes, so first of all, a look at the parts. We've got a metal part, which is probably part of the elbow. I don't know. One of the arm parts. We have a couple of screws, BP screws. We're just going to use one of them. So let's get one of those out now. Put the little paper back in so I know that it's BP screw in there. Always worth keeping the spares because you never know. You might, they might not put one in a pack, or they might forget. You might lose one. So that's going to go together just like that, and that screw will hold it together just through there like that, and we'll screw into the big piece at the back, and there we go. So that is that, and that goes somewhere. I don't know, can't really tell. It's obviously the joint piece, so maybe like that, or maybe like that. We'll figure it out, because next time we're working on the elbow a little bit more. So that is that for the build. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying this and other partworks that I'm making. Do leave a comment. Let me know what's going on. And obviously, if you like it, click the like button. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.